Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. I think it's August the 16th. Do you see this chair? I'll show you this chair. You see that? I'll tell you something about that chair that is so special. It's gonna be special in your life too. Okay, let me put my cushion back in it and have a seat. Welcome to my home. Okay, my son used to live in Wyoming. He was a building inspector there, but now the reason he was there, his wife wanted to get her master's degree at the University of Wyoming, which was in Laramie. That's where they were. They were there, I don't know, two and a half, maybe 3 years. Quinn, I'm sorry guys, and I know most of y'all love him, but he is going to make that noise while I talk. Now I could put him outside, but they just came in, so. Okay, this chair, he cut down aspen trees. Aspen. He whittled the bark off of it, made a pattern, and put it together with no nails and no glue. Everything is fitted together. Now he is the guy who could live out in the woods and survive. Okay, I'll get back to the chair because it's going to be very important. First, let me say this. Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you will subscribe. If you could watch the commercials at least 30 seconds, I will get paid for that. I am desperately trying to retire. If you've watched my other videos, you know that. Okay. If you ring the bell, you will be notified of all of my videos as I post them. And right now, while I'm working, I do 3 every weekend. It's the only time I have off. Okay. So for the first time in my life, I am able to be comfortable and okay with who I really am. And I have to tell you why. It's because of your comments. You have told me that I'm pretty, which, come on, I'm 75, but I appreciate that. Some people have called me funny. Some have called me interesting. Some people like my calm voice, although it's always raspy because I have allergies and I can't do anything about that. Anyway, I wish I could really, from my heart, explain to you what your comments have done to me. They have opened up my world. And I've tried all my life to cover up who I really was. I wanted people to like me. I'd try to talk to people. I'd smile, even though I didn't want to, because I was an introvert. I just wanted to go away and be alone. But this going on YouTube and exposing myself, exposing what's going on in my life and my feelings, has been a wonderful revelation. Everybody look at me. I mean, if I can do this, if I can do this, swear to you, anybody can do this. If you've ever been thinking about it and you go, I can't do that, no one would listen to me, I'm going to tell you that you could. Because everybody has stories, right? Everybody's been through some stuff. I sure have. Okay. We all have had a life that maybe we're proud of, maybe we're not proud of. Crap has happened in our life. We can't help it. We can't go back and change it. We can't do that. We've all probably, I would say 90% of you have had financial issues, which is very stressful. I know. We've all lost loved ones. Got to have lost loved ones. All of you have got to have lost someone. And if you've lost a child, my heart breaks for you. It breaks for you. Speaking of child, can I just tell you about this right now? I just happened to touch it. This necklace right here, this round one, is my Curtis's thumbprint. I know probably all funeral homes offer this now, but it's precious to me. And most of my family got one. My youngest daughter did not. So I told her, when I die, take this off, it's yours. Now this cross means the world to me. Kurt bought this at school when he was 6 years old. I don't know if your school does it. They have a little shop with cheap stuff, and they tell the kids, now bring a few bucks, tomorrow, so you can shop for your mom and dad and things like that. Well, Kurt took some money and he bought me this necklace, which he knew that I would love it, which I did. I wore it for quite a while, probably a year. Well, the chain turned green, turned my neck green. So I took it off and vowed to myself that I would, at a later time, go get a better chain and put it back on. Well, I knew where it was. It was in a special place because it's special to me. And after he passed, I thought of this cross. Now it's worth a bar of gold to me. I immediately went and got a new chain, put it on. It has never come off. It will never come off. I am to be buried in it. It means everything to me. It probably cost $1. I love it. Okay, that was one of my rabbit trails because I can flat do that. Okay, I know that all of you have probably struggled, I would say 90% in some way, with your health, family problems, whatever. We're all the same. I've decided we're all the same. If you're listening to me speak, what I'm saying resonates with you because you go, oh my God, that is so me. Yes, we're all connected. We are the same person, virtually the same person. Okay, and most importantly, listen to me, we are connected to each other. We're connected. Now, did you know, I don't even know if you've heard of aspen trees, because they're not local. I don't know where you live, but here in the South, we do not have aspen trees. And they've got the cutest little leaves on them, and they blow back and forth in the wind, and oh, they're precious. My son actually dug one up and brought one home to me at another house, and I planted it, and it was precious to me. I mean, they're very cute. Anyway, see, they're little trees. Okay, did you know that under the ground, if you can look under the ground, that all the aspen trees have the same root system? They are connected. They're all the same. They come from the same source. Millions of trees throughout Wyoming, probably South Dakota, into Colorado for sure. I don't know how much further, maybe Utah, I don't know. But I do know that they are very prevalent in Wyoming. They're all connected. That's us. We come from the same source. Our roots are connected. Isn't that just a revelation? I mean, even the crazy neighbor that you can't stand because they do this or that, we're all the same. We all just have little peculiarities. I don't know, it's just, I'm so excited, and I'll go back to that in a minute. Okay, because of the Aspen thing that I just happened to think about as I was looking at my chair one day, we're all connected in our joys. If you cannot feel joy for someone else's joy, or if you cannot feel pain from someone else's pain, I just don't know who you are. I mean, Quinn, I just really, we have to have empathy for each other. And if you think harsh things about a particular person, try to change your mindset. You don't have to change that person. They are who they are. You know, you don't have to answer for them. You only have to answer for you. For you. Okay. So through your comments, I also got that. I have cried through some of your comments. I have. One lady made me laugh a lot, but I can't tell you what she said. It was so funny. But anyway, I am looking at my notes because it's early Saturday morning, and I probably need another cup of coffee. I would ask all of you, if you have a sharp tongue, or, you know, let it fly too often, try to curb that. You know, I've always been kind. I can't stand to hurt anyone's feelings, even my children, and even when they were growing up. Don't get me wrong, I've gotten mad at them for something that they have done that they knew they weren't supposed to do. And I let them have it. Yeah, I did. But I am not going to make them feel less of a person with my harsh words. I'm just not going to do it. I will build them up. Yes, I think all of them could accomplish anything that they wanted to. I feel that. And that's what I tried to instill in them. I did not put them down. And I've seen all 4 of them make mistakes. But they all worked it out. And all 4 of them are doing well. And for that, I'm thankful. So remember to be kind, especially to your children or other children. Okay, I know that you are. And I know that some of you are watching me because you're watching yourself. You're watching yourself. And that's a good thing. You could be sitting here talking to me looking through the camera. We're all the same. We're all the same. What we all hope for, and I know everybody does, we all hope for joy in our life. We all search for things that make us happy. We all want to have enough to get by. And then some. Yeah, we do. We want to go to a movie every now and then. Or buy something on Amazon. Sure, I do. We all want to have enough. We do. And we all want to love and be loved, even if it's through our pets. We want to be affirmed every day that someone loves us. Just throwing this in, I love you. I mean, I love you. I love you. You have changed my life. I know you can't believe that, but it's true. You have changed my life. I have become almost a normal person because of you. I feel normal for the first time in my life. Oh my God. Okay. When we're done with this life, we all just want to go home. I hope you believe that you have a home waiting for you. We all just want to go home and be with everyone that we knew before. I believe that. And see all the ones who have passed before us. And just have a good old time. I believe that. And I believe that's what we all want. Okay, next week, I am going to prove to you that we're all connected. I'm going to prove it. So I want you to stay tuned for the next weekend. I'm going to prove it. It's going to be fun. So, I'm going to let you go. And don't forget about this Aspen thing. But I'll tell you about that next week. We're going to have an Aspen group. And we are going to help other people. You're going to join me. We're going to do it. We're going to make a difference in somebody's life. Watch me. Watch you. We're going to do it. Please subscribe. Because I really want to stay here. I'm monetized, but I'm making pennies. But that's okay. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. Click the bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Love's coming your way.